Hidden Treasures, Islamic History Uncovered Part 1, The Discovery. In the heart of Cairo, Egypt, beneath the bustling streets and centuries-old mosques, lay a hidden treasure trove of Islamic history waiting to be uncovered. It all began with the unassuming Ahmed family, who had lived in the city for generations. One fateful day, while renovating their ancestral home, they stumbled upon a dusty, forgotten room in the basement. The room was filled with old manuscripts, scrolls, and artifacts that had been carefully preserved for centuries. Among them was an intricately decorated chest, adorned with verses from the Quran and mysterious symbols. The Ahmed family had unwittingly discovered a hidden treasure that would change their lives forever. Part 2, The Quest for Knowledge. As news of the Ahmed family's discovery spread, scholars and historians from around the world flocked to Cairo to examine the treasures. Among them was Dr. Amina Farid, a renowned Islamic historian and archaeologist. Dr. Farid was captivated by the find and decided to lead an expedition to uncover the secrets hidden within. The artifacts revealed a wealth of knowledge about Islamic history, from the early days of the religion to the golden age of Islamic civilization. They included beautifully illustrated Qurans, rare manuscripts on astronomy and mathematics, and even letters written by famous Islamic scholars. It was as if the past had come alive, offering a glimpse into a world long forgotten. Part 3, The Lost City. As Dr. Farid delved deeper into her research, she stumbled upon a cryptic map hidden among the artifacts. It hinted at the existence of a lost city buried deep within the Egyptian desert, a city that had been a center of learning and culture during the Islamic Golden Age. Determined to uncover this hidden gem, Dr. Farid assembled a team of archaeologists and set out on a daring expedition. After months of grueling excavation, they unearthed the lost city of Al-Khayyam, named after the famous Persian mathematician and astronomer Omar Khayyam. The city was a marvel of Islamic architecture, with intricately designed mosques, libraries, and observatories. It was here that some of the greatest minds in Islamic history had gathered to study and share knowledge. Part 4, The Legacy. The discovery of Al-Khayyam and the treasures hidden within it shed new light on Islamic history and its contributions to science, mathematics, art, and culture. Dr. Amina Farid's research revealed the untold stories of forgotten scholars and the profound impact of Islamic civilization on the world. The Ahmed family, once humble residents of Cairo, found themselves at the center of a historical revelation. They decided to donate their newfound treasures to a museum dedicated to preserving Islamic heritage, ensuring that future generations could learn from and be inspired by the rich history that had been unveiled. In the end, the uncovering of hidden treasures led not only to a greater understanding of Islamic history but also to a renewed appreciation for the enduring legacy of a civilization that had shaped the course of human progress for centuries. It served as a reminder that history is a treasure in itself, waiting to be uncovered and shared with the world.